I'm from Campus UPSI Kaliabang, and in this video I will give my opinion about the smoking in campus area. In my opinion, smoking on campus is strictly prohibited. Every campus has its own rules, and as students, we should recognize that the campus environment is a place for learning, not a place for such activities. It can be detrimental to other students, especially those with a history of respiratory illness. If you encounter students who engage in such behavior, they should immediately report it to campus authorities for further action. My advice is that if you want to smoke, it's the best to find a designated smoking area of campus to avoid harming other students. In this video, I will explain PowerPoint about the question word. Let's get started. What is question? WH question are question word in English that begin with the word WH. What is the function of a WH question? WH questions are used to ask for information requiring the other person to provide a clear answer. In English, they are also known as open question. What is included in the WH question? In Indonesian, you might only know the 5W and 1H. However, in English, you need to learn the 8W and 1H. So, what are these 8W and 1H? The answer are what, when, where, who, whom, which, whose, why, and how. The verbs we start for what. What is used to ask about things? Yep, as we know, what is question word that function to ask about something or something real to someone. And second, where. If you want to find out information about the location, purpose, and position someone or something, the correct question word to use is where. Example of an interrogative sentence. Third, ada why. This question word function as a reason cause seeker. In this case, the reason can be positive or negative. Use to determine the background of something. 4. When. This question word function as a reason or cause seeker. In this case, the reason can be positive or negative. Used to determine the background of something. 5. Which. Which a sentence that asks for a choice. 6. Who. Question used with the question word who are used to ask about people or a person or subject. And 7. Whom. In contrast to who is used to ask about the person who has the status of subject. So, whom is a type of question word for the person who has the position of object or recipient of the action from the subject. And 8. Whose. What is the difference between whose and who and whom? The difference is whose is the question word used to ask about position. And 9. How. How is used when asking about manner of process, condition, and quality. This question word also applies to asking about price, duration, frequency, age, method, distance, or quantity. Example sentence. The example for sentence what? Example of its use in sentence. What are you doing? What is your name? What do you think about the movie? What time is it? And what should I do? Second, example for sentence where. Example of its used in sentence is where do they live? Where is your mom? Where is my handphone? Where are you headed? Where should I park? Example for sentence why. Example of its use in sentence. Why do you love me? Why did it happen? Why are you crying? Why is he laughing? And why did you come late? Example for sentence when. When do you finish college? When does the taxi arrive? When did she leave? And when will that fix my bicycle? Example for sentence which. Example for sentence which is which color do you want? Which extracurricular do you join it? Which the one do you prefer, iOS or Android? Which one do you choose, the left or right? Example for sentence who opened the window? Who are you? Who is your favorite Korean artist? Who is your favorite boyfriend and who own this bag? Example for sentence womb. Example for sentence whom is, whom are you going to meet? Whom did you see in the morning? Whom should we send the invitation to? Whom was Teddy talking to? And whom will you marry? Example for sentence whose are they novels? Whose car is that? Whose wallet is this? Is this yours? Whose turn is it? Whose outfit are you wearing? And last, example for sentence how. How can you explain this problem? Please tell us. How was your exam? How much money do you have? How often you go to Bali in a year? And negative WH question without you realizing it. The example of each the type of WH question above the positive affirmative. Of course, interrogative sentence can also be negative. When asking negative WH question, we can use the auxiliary verb do when there is no other auxiliary verb or no modal verb. See the example below. And this example for positive question sentence without auxiliary, who wants ice cream? Which door open? And negative question sentence with the auxiliary verb do, who doesn't want ice cream? Which door didn't open? In the last video, thank you for watching. This is my opinion, and my name is Radwa, and say goodbye.